Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5a, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, we're gonna simply pull down our notifications straight from the top, extend the list, and somewhere here you'll find a screen recording toggle. Now, if it's not on the first page, swipe to the side and you can see it. For me, it's right over here, screen recorder. Now once you find it, you can either tap on it to start recording right away, or you can hold it and actually not hold it. It looks like we need to just press on this arrow. There we go. And this gives us a very limited amount of settings right here. So we have record audio, either device or microphone or both. And obviously if it's toggled off, you're not going to be recording any audio. And also show touches on the screen, which will imitate your finger pressing the display, wherever you were actually pressing the display. That will be visible as a semi-transparent gray dot. Now I will enable the second option just so you can see how that looks like on a video, because to some it might be a little bit too distracting. Anyway, from here I'm going to select start. It begins a countdown from 3 and then begins recording. You can kind of see this dot under my finger just like tracing behind. This will be obviously more visible on the screen recording, which I'll play back at the end. And obviously whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now once you're done, you can stop the screen recording by just pulling down your notifications, selecting stop, and that's it. So it will automatically get saved to your Photos application. And you can find it somewhere at the very top, as you can see right here. If you have more options at the bottom, like albums and so on, then you can click on albums, and obviously it will probably create an album called either movies, like it is named right here, or screen recordings or screenshots. It could be any one of those three. Now I'm going to play back this, and you can now see how this looks like. So there is this dot where my finger was pressing. So there we go. That's the screen recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.